Good afternoon, this is Colton with Build Brothers Roofing and Solar doing a digital roof inspection here for a homeowner that is located out in the Claremont area. We have a couple leaks that sprung up inside, and so we're going to inspect the roof, and we also inspected the attic to see what is going on and what the condition of this roof is. Initially looking at this roof right here, we can see it's a shingle roof, a composite shingle roof. We can see just some fundamental structures of the eave. We have the fascia, we have a drip edge right here. A drip edge actually keeps water from transitioning from the roof off. It drips it so it doesn't touch the wood. And then we have our starter shingle right here, which you can see how kind of loose that is. That's not a good sign. But yeah, it's a 3-tab asphalt shingle roof. It's an older style of shingle that they actually don't use or install anymore. The newer type is kind of like the neighbors right there, where you can kind of see an architectural shingle. Getting on this roof, what happens to an older shingle is it dehydrates and the oil will start to leave the shingle, and then the granules start to fall off. Just getting on it right now, we can see a couple nails right here. We can see a nail exposed. That's an easy way for water to get in. Another one right here. So just some fundamental errors when they installed this roof. Another one right here. Wow, 3 of them. Okay, getting to this roof, we can actually see some repairs that were made right there. You can see a little bit of architectural shingle right there, probably because it blew off and they needed to repair that section right there. I went in the attic. This is a plank sheathing roof, so it's basically got a plank sheathing underneath this shingle. There's multiple stains going on in this roof. I will send pictures just to show evidence of inside the attic, but we can see on the southern facing side we have way more shingle wear. We got fiberglass showing through. The granules have completely fluffed off. And so we look at this, we can see even more nails that are protruding where water can enter in. We can see the penetrations that need to be recaulked. Water can get directly through here. Even this one right here, we see another penetration where water can get directly around this flashing that's loose and actually can get directly in there. We can see shingles that are loose and actually just not even connected to the roof anymore. So yeah, a lot of evidence of shingle wear, of expiration of this roof. You can see some bad nails again, where water still shows a little wetness right there. Water can get in right there. We can see a shingle repair that's been done right here. In addition, we can see a flat section that was more than likely an addition at some point. But this is also where we have a kind of a flat roofing system called a torch down system, where we have evidence of water dripping inside. What we look for is the seams, and look at these seams. They're coming up kind of. What we want to have is adequate bleed out. Adequate bleed out would look like this. And so we're not seeing that, so water's actually can get underneath these seams. Look how loose that is right there. So yeah, water's getting underneath those seams and entering in to the vaulted flat section of the interior. Yeah, so we can see chimneys. They're very sensitive areas. We can see, this is where water's ponding in this area right here. Yeah, roof is definitely at that 25-30 year mark. It's definitely at the end of its life expectancy. As far as recommendations, we see some more exposed nails where shingles have basically fallen off right here. Recommendations on this roof is we'd really need to redo it and replace it. There's I would say too many things and too many entrance points for water at this point to offer some sort of repair. So the urgency is going to be a roof replacement. I know it might not be ideal, but there's just too many entrance points for water at this point. And I will attach photos of the attic and then email over an inspection report and offer the proper solution for this roof. Thank you.